friendly.
You can get measurements on these cars before you ever start on it to do the estimate. If you're not writing your own estimate and you have another estimator coming in, the insurance company, you can already have this printed out to show them that it is X amount out here, X amount out there, and get the correct time on the estimate instead of trying to fight later and get a supplement on it.
We use it in our process with 100% tear down. So once we get the cars 100% torn down, we get it up on the lift or on the floor, and we do a complete measurement on that.
So we measure all of our cars, make sure that there's no structural damages. And so we have to have a system to where we can set up a vehicle, bring it down after it's measured, and set the next one up. And with the touch, you can find out right then and there if there are any structural damages.
The service and support from Spanesi has been awesome. They've done everything that they've needed to. I've got every question answered. They get back with me on time. Really had no issues or problems.